Y'all, I caught a tank. I mean a nice one. Well, there'll be no backpacking this weekend, so we're doing a little bit of bougie camping. Headed up to South Holston River in Tennessee, and we're going to got the kayak. I don't know if y'all can see back through the rearview mirror there. Got the kayak, we got the rooftop tent, we got the Coleman stove, and no packing nothing on the back this weekend. But man, we're gonna have a good time. Stay tuned, it's gonna be fun. Well, here's the part of the story that gets a little interesting. If you'll notice, I know it's a little bit hard to see, but there's a guy that's walking down there to my brother-in-law on the right, on the top right side of the screen. That guy is actually our shuttle guide, and he always drops us off and takes our truck down to the other part. But he's very concerned about us because at that point in time, at 9 a.m. in the morning, it was 113 degrees with the heat index. And then it was supposed to be by 2 o'clock, 120 degrees on the heat index. And let me tell you, it was hot. Missed it. Yeah, he grabbed it though. I should have set the hook as soon as he hit it. Well, y'all, it's so hot out, my GoPro quit working, but got the first little smallie. Well, that number 2. Actually caught that one on my own personal bait. Got pretty. And I got me a nice one, finally. Get that baby over here. It's my nicest smallmouth in a while. Probably about a 14, 15 incher. Thank you, buddy. Oh, yeah. Hey, buddy. What's going on? Got some moo cows. Check him out. Caught a tank, y'all. On the Chatterbait. Oh, rebuilt and Romans up here at South Holston. What a fish. Well, y'all, I just caught a tank. First time ever the DJI camera is overheating on me, but it's really hot out here today. So I'm going to take the outside action case off of it to see if that helps, because I know I've ran it up here before, but I wish y'all could have saw that. Thank you, Mr. Tony Rice. Got it on my Trashcan Rodz here. This is the Mod Fast Chatterbait. Thank you, buddy. Go check him out, trashcanrodz.com. Great rods. Get that biggun, y'all. Yes. Well, by the time we got to camp that night, it was already dark. Also, too, wanted to give you a shot of how the inside looks of the tent, that rooftop tent. So check out the Zenbivy setup there. Absolutely loved it. You notice there I got my CPAP and electric. That's the nice thing. And that fan over there is a lifesaver. So, but that tent's very ventilated. It's got an opening in the front and both sides. Here's a better looking video of the whole setup there, which is a very nice setup with on the waters kayak trailer with the tent on top, top oaks. Now it's time for a little coffee action there on the tailgate. So, gotta love it. Well, good morning, everybody. Here we are, day number 2 at South Holston River. We're doing the Laurel Run float over to Christian's Bend. So it's a hot one. She was a hot one yesterday, and hope you enjoyed the video so far. Hopefully we'll catch some more big ones today. If I don't lose him here. He's digging, boy. Woo! Oh, he got off. Oh my goodness. That was a nice one. Well, is that how the day's gonna start out? That's it. My goodness, I mean, I set the hook too quick. Oh, unbelievable. Got the first one today, y'all. Little bitty one. And he slammed it, so. Got number 2. Ain't been very big ones, but starting out a lot better than yesterday. It'll be 8-incher. Those summer months up at the South Holston, if you've never fished it before, that old grass grows up in there and it gets tough in some places. But as I edited this video, I did think about the fact that many times people ask me if you can paddle that New Canoe Unlimited. Also, I wanted to throw this clip in here. I'm telling you, it got so hot, you had to start either wetting your shirt or wetting your neck gaiter and putting it on just to try to stay cool, and drinking plenty of electrolytes. I think I drank at least 3 or 4 that day. So, but it was hot, but it was fun. That's a little better. A little better. That's a little better. Well, I hope my motor don't catch. Caught another one on the old chatterbait. Nice. I may switch to chatterbait while I'm out here. That must have been a little one. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome, and that's a nice one. Woo! I mean, slammed it. And got it right at the boat, y'all. Got it right at the boat, y'all. It's my nicest one of the day. It ain't real big, but I got one. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this getaway. We did get to try out the Zenbivy sleep system. Did very, very well. So I'm happy about that. Got to try out the new pillow and the new Para XL Element sleeping pad. Did very, very well. And it got really, really hot. So I was going to stay another night, but wasn't too bad last night, but only got about 3 hours of sleep. The heat index is about like 112 or something like that, they were saying. 97 degrees. I mean, it's hot. But that tent does pretty good. I had that cold bolt fan that y'all seen, and it was kept me pretty cool. It finally cooled down right around about midnight, 12:30. Can we get amen right there? Y'all know that. That's been out camping in this kind of heat. I mean, it only got down to like 70 last night. So, but great adventure. Caught some fish. Fishing wasn't the best. They're going to stay one more day up there, so hopefully they'll get on them. I did catch that biggun, which was awesome. But anyways, I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for some more Rebuilt and Roman.